This is System Test 16 with demo board number 2. I've changed out all of the devices as normal for my system tests, but this time I've done a little change to one of my smoke detector spots, so I'm looking forward to showing that off. But let's begin and see what I've done. So we have the EST Fire Shield 3-zone panel. First off, we have a Notifier BNG1 pole station. This is the second one I have in my collection. I've always liked these because of the fire labeling on the side. It's pretty unique. We then have an ADT model 5050 pole station. This is just a rebrand of an ESL model 5050. I've always found these interesting. And up here is the change I was talking about. But first we have a Simplex 4903. This is the one that sounds like a True Alert, and it's on continuous. And I'm pretty sure it has a fixed 110 candela strobe. I think that's what that blue dot means. On the ceiling spot, we have an EST Genesis horn strobe. Of course, this one will be doing code 3, and it's on fixed 30 candela. Or I'm sorry, I selected it to 30 candela. And then we have this. It's a System Sensor i3 photoelectric smoke detector, but it's on the wall. I've never done this on either of my demo boards before, but I kind of got an idea. Just for a change, I think it would be cool. And I hope you guys like it, and if so, I might start doing it from now on. But pretty different, pretty cool, I guess, just a change instead of having them always on the ceiling. So anyways, moving on to the 10-zone panel, EST Fire Shield. I have a Silent Night SK Pole SA, I think is the model. It's addressable, but I'm bypassing the addressable module. We then have a Simplex 4251-20, and then a Faraday F1 GT, also known as the Chevron. Up here I have a Siemens branded Wheelock ZNS. I think these are nice alarms. It's a horn strobe, it's on low volume code 3, and I have no idea what the candela is because you can see the little selector broke off, so who knows. We then have a Gentex GX90. This is on continuous low volume. We have a System Sensor 2412 photoelectric smoke, Chemitronics heat detector, and then a System Sensor 2100 smoke detector, also photoelectric. So that's everything that's going on. Let's begin, I think, with this system by pulling the 4251-20. So here we go. The GX90 has audible silence, but the ZNS doesn't because it's a 2-wire device. So let's move on to the second system and pull the ADT pole station. Yeah, that 4903 is really, really loud, but we can still kind of hear the Genesis going off. So now let's reset both the pole stations and then reset the systems. So I have my Simplex key, which obviously resets that, but kind of funny. The Simplex key resets this pole station. And fun fact, a lot of people think this pole station is a knockoff of the Simplex T-bars. But you can be the judge of that. They're very similar. And now let's reset both of these systems. And by the way, you could probably notice the 4903 has audible silence because it's 4-wire, but the Genesis does not. Let's test the System Sensor 2100. And the way we'll do it is with the test button. So I'm going to use this long hex key that resets the Faraday Chevron to test the smoke. If I can do it. And we'll re-alarm with the chevron since we were just talking about it. Here we go. And I'll just reset this system again. And reset. While this system is being reset, let's activate that system sensor i3. Some of my Smoke Centurion smoke in a can. And this panel's beeping because there's no batteries. I'll just spray this for fun since I have it out. Okay, let's air out both of the smoke detectors so they don't re-alarm later. Just kind of throwing this around. I don't really have a good way to air it out. And this one's direct wire, so I can't really do that method. Alright. Reset, and we will reset that system. Okay, the last thing I want to do is activate both systems, so it'll be very loud. So let's do it. Here we go. Yeah, I don't think I was able to hear these alarms at all. Yeah, I think this 4903 was the loudest alarm in this setup. And second to that, I think, would be the Genesis. But I bet if I put this to high volume, it would be a lot louder, and we would probably be able to hear it better. So anyways, let's reset this pull station and get my notifier key to reset this one. There's the inside. And the last thing we need to do is, of course, reset both panels. So that'll do it for System Test 16 with my second demo board. I hope you enjoyed this one. If so, please leave a like and comment what your favorite alarm was. And also let me know, what do you think about the wall-mounted smoke detector idea? I think it's cool. I think I might start doing it if you guys like it, because it's kind of different than just always having them on the ceiling. So yeah, let me acknowledge this because, again, no batteries. So that's all. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed, and that's all I got. So I'll see you guys in the next video.